Well, a new ride-sharing app is taking over, and they're actually giving rideshare drivers 100% of the fare, unlike Lyft, which just announced that now they're gonna be stepping up and giving drivers 70% of the fare, because before they were sometimes only giving 50 or 60. And Uber, we all know, takes sometimes even more than 50%. So we're gonna dive into that, but before we do, if you're interested in making money right now, in a new way to make money, there is an incredible life-changing opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel, okay? This is something I've been doing for over 5 years now. It was how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in. But for the first time, I'm actually, I have a link below teaching you guys how to do it, okay? Because I've already taught several of my friends, family members how to do this, and they've made really, really good money. This is just my earnings from last year, the full last year. As you can see, over $10,000 per month, over 120,000 bucks. And this year so far, I'm bringing in over 10 grand as well a month. And some months even bringing in 30,000, 20,000. So if you want to learn how to do this, just click the link below. There's a 30-day free trial right now that I created for you guys, so you can try it out risk-free for 30 days. Set up your page, and I'll help you start making money, okay? I have a full tutorial down there with strategies, tips on how to grow your page, marketing, getting brand deals, getting, you know, payments from Google, etc. So click that link below. Otherwise, let's dive in, shall we? All right, so this is the new app. It's called Hover. 100% fair is 100% fair, it says. Let's click on the driver's side. So it says, join a community of drivers who are transforming the way people move around the city and within their communities. So one thing that I, in the past, said I didn't like about this, but you guys said, well, you didn't really mind, is the way that the company makes money is because obviously they're giving 100% of the ride to the driver, is they charge a membership fee to the driver. So you have to pay $19.95 to be a member or a driver. So I thought this was a little like, I don't know, I was a little hesitant at first, but a lot of drivers said, well, look, you know, I'm giving Uber hundreds of dollars a day in percentage. So what's the difference between paying 20 bucks a month? That's way lower. And they were like, we understand that they need to pay for insurance. They need to pay for, you know, their employees, their offices, all that stuff, their marketing. So interesting there. Manage subscription. So I guess you can, yeah, you can log in pretty quickly, join as a member. And $45. Oh, there's a one-time payment to the city. So there's a $25 sign-up fee too. Interesting. So 45 bucks to get started. Would you guys do this? Here's the fee structure. 75 cents per kilometer, 25 cents a minute, $3 base, $5 minimum. So $5 minimum. So we all saw with Uber and Lyft, right, that a lot of drivers were only getting $3 minimum or less. There's a Hover chauffeur. Interesting, $1. So I guess $10 minimum. Guys, you could sign up to be a Hover chauffeur and you get 10 bucks minimum per ride. That's pretty interesting. And they are on the App Store, guys. Keep that in mind. This is not one of those like scammy ride sharing apps. This one actually seems very legit because it's on the Apple App Store. In order to get approved in the App Store, you got to go through all these like, you know, things and stuff. And they have pretty good ratings too. But yeah, I mean, obviously they're new, so they're going to be working out kinks and stuff, but like, just have faith, you know, that it seems like they're going to be good. Obviously this is not a sponsored video at all, but like, they have a, yeah, they're basically competing with Uber and Lyft because people don't like Uber and Lyft. Drivers hate Uber and Lyft, yet they have no other option. So maybe this is a better option. So yeah, let me know your thoughts with that. Again, if you want to sign up for my Faceless YouTube channel program, just click the link below and basically it'll show you, this is earnings from another page, not the one I showed you earlier, but a different page I have. I have several pages. But make sure when you click start free trial, and then it'll say 000 to start. And then once you sign up and everything, you can log in, and then you can click on my programs, and then you'll get access to all the programs and everything. So, and then you can join the group chat, and I update it all the time, so there will be new material, you know, ongoing to help you guys. And then you can obviously message me. So click that link below, check out our programs. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.